It beats the imagination how for years security personnel of Shell Petroleum Development Company failed to detect the fraud on the facility, while a pipeline surveillance contractor only needed a month to discover it.
This theft is discovered by Tantita Security Services Limited. The chairman of Tantita Security Services Limited is High Chief Government Ekpempolo, the person you all know as Kompolo. His dream and aspiration as far as this work is concerned is very, very clear. Our operation has started for about 6 weeks now. Within these 6 weeks, we have discovered on this TEP, we have discovered 16 tappings on the Trans-Escravos pipeline. Of the 6 or 16 that we have excavated, we have intel on 2 that are further from where we are coming from now, and we are still excavating. We are coming this line. We are going to trot this line until we get to Ogidigbe, from Ogidigbe to Madanwo. And so, only God knows how many more points we are going to see as we go further. But as at this moment now, we have discovered 16 points.
These 2 parallel pipelines are connected here illegally, and for 9 years, they stole crude oil without the NNPC knowing anything about it. Now, in the coming days, perhaps more information will come to the fore about how they did this for just a year shy of a decade without being caught. Ofieteme George, Arise News.
That was a great report from Ofieteme George there. But Steve, what was your immediate reaction to this story? Any surprises?
Oh, well, I mean, not anymore. I mean, these are the kind of things that we'll be hearing. The surprise for me will be that it took Tompolo, barely 1 month of being engaged by the federal government to discover this, in addition to the 16 other tappings that they have discovered. Whereas in 9 good years, NNPC and the security apparatus of government that they're working with failed to discover. I mean, we can't accept that before Tompolo there was no surveillance going on. There were, but then was there connivance? Have we been dealing with the fact that those